on Double G Now Farm. So we're getting ready to head back out to the field. Today we're actually doing some custom combining. I'm really nervous about it. Our first time ever doing custom combining. Might be interesting. Stay tuned. But we probably won't get all of it done today. We'll have to do some more tomorrow. But anyway, so we're gonna head out to the field, do some custom combining. Here we go. Custom combining, and so now we are headed to one of our fields, and hopefully we can get a pretty good chunk of it done today. Stay tuned. So it is currently 10 o'clock at night. I'm getting ready to head back out to the field. They've been combining for a while, but I had some plans, so I'm heading out back out to the field. Hopefully we get the field finished tonight. Stay tuned. Look at that. The combine, you can't see very well. The combine does not have a boot on though. I am so glad to know that I am not the only one that does that. Everyone, if you remember last week, the chain broke on the combine. It just broke again, so we're done for the night. See you tomorrow. Everyone, so I just got out to the field. We just have a little field over there that we have to get done. We finished this field last night. Anyways, so we actually have to fix the chain that broke on the combine at like 11:30 last night, if you guys saw that. And we're gonna put the boot back on. We're gonna repair the combine basically. So I'm going to drive the grain cart over there, and then hopefully we can get that field done. Once we're done with that field, then we're gonna go do some more custom combining. Hopefully we can get that done today. And then, yeah, I'm not sure what else will happen. Stay tuned. All right, everyone, time to get back in business. Here we go. finished that field. I filled up one semi, so that shows how little the field is. Anyways, we're gonna head home, we're going to fuel up, and then we're going to go do some more custom combining. Alright everyone, we just finished this field, so we are done custom combining now. So now we're going to head to one of our fields, and hopefully we can finish corn tomorrow, and then we can start on beans. So I'm really excited about that. Anyways, okay, here we go.
I think that this lot is pretty much ready for weaned calves now. We've got the creep feeders in here that we will put creep in, and hay feeder for the hay, and that's all that they'll get at first. And I need to clean out the water yet. That's disgusting. I lined the bunk with stand-up panels, so I don't have to worry about them crawling through cables and getting out right when they're first weaned. We mixed up 17 bags of fat creep that morning. That was 2 days ago. That was a little bit exhausting. I'm gonna rotate the cows that are in this pasture right now. They're getting short on grass in the paddock they're in, so we're gonna move them to a fresh paddock.
we were just unloading on the go, and all of a sudden the auger quit, and I can't really explain what sound the combine made, and I have a pretty good idea of what just happened, but let's go see what the matter is. No, not again. Alright everyone, here's the deal. We were unloading on the go, and Dad pushed the wrong button and accidentally shut the auger off, and he was trying to raise his head. And so he quick turned it back on, well, it was too late. And so the auger was full of corn, and it was trying to turn it back on, and it broke. So we're done for the night. Tomorrow Dad's gonna have to run to Orchard and grab some more parts so we can fix it. But anyways, I'm getting the video here. This is our third time it's broke now this year. Anyways, well, I'm getting the video here. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.